Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel. Well, today's video is WIP Caddy Wednesday video, and it is one of my favorite videos to do during the week because I get to showcase what you guys are working on, and I love doing that so much. So if you would like for me to showcase what you're working on in my WIP Caddy video, all you got to do is post a picture in my Facebook group page. The link will be below in the description box, or you can just send me an email, and my email is in the description box as well. So yeah, let's just jump right in there and let's see what you guys are working on today. Okay, so here we have Christina's card. Now, Christina says that the top shelf is a Triceratops that is finally done. And oh my gosh, it is so pretty. I love it. I have that same book, I think. No, I don't have that book. I need to buy that book. Okay, so she says that she's working on a smaller crochet projects, and she's learning some applique crochet to put on an old cardigan. She says it's called the Kayla Crazy Sweater. That sounds really cool. So far, she's crocheted a cat, and she's still working on a feather. She's also made a kawaii pen cushion, red cup with heavy cream on the coffee. Middle shelf left is a half circle shawl, and on the ring are some finished hair scrunchies, and for sale this September at the Hamburger Fest here in the town in Berks County, Pennsylvania. And in the yellow bag are the DK yarns for the crunchies and appliques. The red bag is for the finished appliques. Okay, so now we have Jan's card, and I love that red with the pink little cases up there at the top. That's cute. Jan says that on the top, she has her crochet hook cases, glasses, scissors, pen, pencils, paper, stitch markers, and she also has a tablet and her WIP and FO book. She has a place for a drink and her remote. That's very important, isn't it? And I drink that ice drink as well. On the second shelf, she has a cotton yarns, which she's working up into a granny flower crossbody purse. And on the bottom, she has a triangular shawl and a pink baby blanket in progress. And she did get her card on sale at Michael's for $29. Now here we have Patsy's card. Patsy says that on the second shelf, she's got a VCR tape for the Ganzi Afghan, and she's decided on the Caron 1 pound in the color light terracotta. On the bottom shelf is the Annie's Kit Lapgan. Now here we have Ashley's cart. Ashley says that the middle shelf is full of towels that she wants to crochet toppers for using my tutorial, so I will leave that link below for you guys. The top shelf is the yarn to match the towels. The bottom shelf has unicorn headbands for her daughter's 5th birthday party coming up. Well, happy early birthday to your daughter. Some raffia yarn to make a bucket hat, and some crochet thread to attempt to make some jewelry. From Ashley from Casually Crafted on YouTube. So you may want to check that out if you're interested in making some jewelry. Now here we have Julie's cart. Now Julie says that on the top, she has a chevron net shawl, which is her pattern. And the second shelf is still the granny square jacket. She nearly has the first half done, and she will have to make a duplicate. The bottom shelf is still the scrap yarn blanket that she started back in December. And if you go to the Facebook group page, she has a link to the chevron net shawl and a link to the jacket. Thank you for sharing those, Julie. Now here we have Roxanne's. She says that the top shelf holds her crocheting and knitting paraphernalia. The middle shelf, she started a toddler-sized Minnie Mouse inspired beanie, some dishcloths, and Happy Amigurumi on the go by the Stringy Ding Ding. And oh, and she says to wish her luck because it's her second ever amigurumi. Well, I wish you luck. I think that you're going to do great on that. Let's see, the bottom, she's still crocheting a chevron blanket for her son. And I think the blanket is gorgeous. Okay, wasn't that a lot of fun? I love seeing what you guys are working on. And thank you so much for doing that for the ones who have posted, because it really inspires us when we get to see what types of projects that you're working on, you know. So, yeah. Okay, let's see what I'm working on. I do have a little video clip and I'll show you a cardigan that I'm working on. No, wait, take that back. I'll show you a cardigan that I finished. Okay, let's take a look at that. Okay, so this is the latest, I guess you could say, cardigan type thing that I made. And it partially came out the way I wanted, and it partially didn't come out the way I wanted. The front, I've had to fold this over. But it does look good on, but it's not the way I wanted it. I made the arm hose big, so it'll be nice and roomy. And of course, I love, 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 love the back side. I started out with a single crochet row on the bottom, and that's all I did. I did not go back and do another row. Just left it just like it is. There we go. And this is triple crochet. It's single crochets on this row and chains, and then triple crochets and chains on that row. Okay, so it didn't come out the way I wanted, but I made it work. That's all that matters, right? I made it work. All right, so I used a J hook with that, and I'm using 24/7 cotton right here. Isn't it pretty? It's called Succulent 24/7 cotton. I think it's a medium 4-weight yarn. It's 186 yards in here. So it took 2 of these and just a little bit into this one. So basically you would just need 3 of these. Oh, and I forgot to mention the cardigan that I'm wearing. This was in collaboration with Llama Unraveled Crochet. Alyssa is her name, and we went together. It's part her stitches and part my stitches, and we just combined them and made a cardigan out of it. So if you like this, I will leave her link below, and you can get the free pattern, written pattern, or you can go to my YouTube and watch the free tutorial on it. How's that? The free YouTube tutorial on this right here if you're interested. Okay, let's see. Oh yes, I do have a finished object. So the next item that I have is Batgirl. Yay! I did finish her. So I'm very excited about this. So be looking for this pattern coming up one day this week. Today's Wednesday. So yeah, I think I have time to get it out this week. Maybe I'll even get it out tomorrow. Yes. So I did finish week 4. This is ongoing. This is Annie's Moroccan Towel Afghan, the Casablanca. And I have finished all of this. And now I've started, let's see, yeah, that square, 4 of them, because you can see the back side. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. One thing I like about this kit is when you get it in, they highlight what you're going to be working on. I really, really like that. That comes in very handy. But here they are. And I just love these. Actually, by the time I got to the 3rd one, I already had it memorized. So they're all the same. But they're so cool. When I first saw this, I was like, there is no way I'm going to be able to make that. But I was like, okay, they do have a tutorial. I can watch that and, you know, see how it goes. Well, I ended up making this in the car on a car trip. And I did not watch a video. The instructions were so good, I just followed the written pattern. Didn't even have to watch the video. So I'm so proud of myself that I did something like this just off a written pattern. So anyway, there are 4 of these. There's the backside. Backside looks pretty good too, doesn't it? But yeah, so now I've got to make, I can't remember how many, but well, let me show you kit 5. So here's my yarns for kit 5. And I've already got my hook in here. It takes a 5.5 millimeter hook. And it looks like we're going to be making those 2 squares right there. They look pretty similar to what I just finished as far as going around, not the center part of it, but the outer edge part of it. Looks pretty similar, so I should be able to handle this one too. But yeah, that's kit number 5, so I am working on that. The only other thing I'm working on is my gold cardigan, and I've showed that to you so many times, but I'm still working on it. Oh yeah, and then my blue vest that I made from Annie's Love to Crochet kit, I'm making a white one. So I don't know how that's going to turn out. But anyway, so I'll show you those as soon as I get them finished. So let's go ahead and read our 365 days of prayer. Okay, it says, life gets busy. The Lord answered her, Martha, my beloved Martha, why are you upset and troubled, pulled away by all these many distractions? Are they really that important? Mary has discovered the one thing most important by choosing to sit at my feet. She is undistracted, and I won't take this privilege from her. That's Luke 10, 41 and 42. Lord, when I am overwhelmed by all the tasks that need to get done, would you gently remind me that your presence is near beckoning me? There are so many distractions that pull all my attention every day, but peace is found in resting at your feet. Give me an undivided heart that is fixed on you. I offer you my attention right here in this moment. As I quiet my heart and mind before you, I know that I will find the wisdom I need. I won't be troubled by my to-do list when I get back to work because your peace fills me with the confidence and clarity I need. In the busyness of life, help me to intentionally practice resting in you in stolen moments. As I practice your presence throughout my day, I know that I will be better for it, undistracted and filled with the light of your wisdom. How can you practice sitting in the presence of God in the middle of a busy day? Ooh, that's really good. Okay, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to please submit your WIP Caddies. I would love to showcase them in my WIP Caddy Wednesday videos. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.